She killed the first boy the day before she turned 11. His name was Martin Brown. He was 4 years old. Mary Bell left him in an abandoned house in Newcastle and walked away. 3 months later, she did it again. But what came next disturbed investigators almost as much as the murders themselves. Handwritten notes appeared at the crime scenes, signed, taunting, written by a child who seemed proud of what she had done. Mary Bell was 10 years old when it started, and when her case went to trial, the justice system had no idea what to do with her, because the same investigators building a case against her were also uncovering something else. A childhood so brutal, so deliberately destroyed by the adults around her, that psychiatrists struggled to find words for what she had become. She was a killer. She was also a victim, and the law had no category that held both at once. The question her case left behind was never fully answered. Can a child be responsible for something a broken world built inside her? Stay in the creep loop? Follow for the next case file?